think it needs to go a little bit more what I got it at right now. So we're almost against the drill chuck. I'm going to go about halfway to the drill chuck. I can always got another 30 thou more to go if I need it. Oil on there. About 50 thou will go down. I did not go all the way down. Perfect. Didn't look like I needed to. Alright. Just cleaning almost all the way around, so it's a good place to stop. So we almost got the full circle. I am not sure if we're going to hit in the fin area or not. It should be busting through very soon, so I want to make sure it's not real thin under there, and the gasket will bust through and be a problem. So, there's a hole right there. So we're almost 2 inches here. Let's see, we're under 2 inches, so it's going to be at least 2 inches to the edge of the hole. Well, that's not going to work very good. According to that, there's no metal there. Well, I know there's metal there, so something's going on. My measurement's not correct for some reason, but well, it could be wrong. I'm measuring right across. It says that's all thin under there, and the fin should be breaking through. That's weird. I don't see how that can possibly be correct. See, just when the fin breaks through right there, we're way here at 200 out. See, that's where it comes in at. This other one's a lot deeper. Doesn't make sense. According to that, we would have been cutting through already. And I'm in that way further than what this tool would have put you at, so I don't think I'm in danger of going through. I'm just worried about in danger of losing the sealing area up here. If it's really thin right there, you have to go deeper to get back down to real material. Yeah, I bet you that's what happened. Yeah, see, that's what it is. 2 inch, 2 inch. Okay, so there you go. See, that's going to be, see, there's your 2 inch dimension. So right now we're on top of the fin, which is really thin. So if you leave it like this whole sealing surface here might just drop down and you won't have a sealing surface. So I have to go in deeper to get past the hole underneath that's going to be there. We know it's there. I can feel it. I can measure it. It's way over here. So that means this whole thing has got real thin. I don't even know what. We're not even breaking through already. See, I like to be way up high there. But I'm afraid we're going to have a problem if we don't go all the way down. And if we don't bust through that thing, we're going to have a problem. You can see that thing looks like about a 1/4 inch thick. Just about a 1/4 inch thick right there. Well, theoretically, I should be able to bust through if it's that thin. There's a little pick. Let's see if we can bust through my center punch. If we can get in there. Yep. There you go. See, it looked like there's metal there, but there isn't. See how I'm busting through the top right there? I don't know if you can see down there or not. Okay, now. See, I busted through right there. You can see where I busted through. So we have to go down deeper. You can see how it's coming back to my surface area where I don't want to be at. Down there. So my sealing surface is going to be real thin, so we're going to sink it in deeper. I don't really want to, but until I can see all that material, the hole, I have to go deeper. Okay, so I think we're going to wind up going all the way to take out the rest of this bushing height. Okay, we're all up against my drill chuck now. Deeper. I'm going through small increments because I want to see what I'm running into. So there's the hole. You see how it's coming through right there. You can still see my dimple mark in there, so I think there's more to be had. Actually, I need use my pick up here. It's actually my little scribe. There we go. See, I want to bust that aluminum out of there so I can see what we're playing with. There we go. Now, we're getting a full reference to what we're playing with here. So there's your hole. Okay, so I have enough material there, but if I go deeper, yeah, actually we're not all the way in there yet. See my pointer goes in there quite a bit more, see? So we are not all the way down. We have to drop down at least another 50 thou to have solid material underneath it. We're in the hollow part of the fin right now. We're like this, and I'm up here at the top of my finger right now. We need to go down until we get to the part of the U in there. So right now it is not deep enough. So we have to go deeper. Unknown territory here. But I'm not a drill bushing dimension, so time to make a chuck change here. Pull it up a little bit further. myself another 50 right there. I'm not bottomed out yet, but it will be close. So once again, I'm going to take half of this dimension out. Let's go all the way down. Yeah, let's go all the way down. What the hell? What do we need? I don't know what I need. I'm going to go right there. Halfway down. I'm going to plunge this deeper. So we got. Okay, about 50 thou more to go. I went the whole 50. Ooh, that got worse. Boy, did that get bad. It's supposed to get better when you get more material, isn't it? So the deeper you go, the worse it gets. See how much uncovered? I think my whole thread just went away. Where's my scribe at? Oh, I put the scribe away. Yeah, see there's nothing here. I have to cut that all the way down until I hit the edge of the bottom of that fin. Because right now when I thread this, I'll hit daylight. So that'll be a leak. It would leak right there. So I got to keep plunging until that cleans all the way down to there. Yeah, see that's right in there. Now standing this thing up. See, I don't know if that made it worse or not because I'm further this way than when I started. But the angle's not going away, so it's hitting more flat. Hard to tell. But we do need to go a lot deeper than what we have right now, that's for darn sure. And I don't think I have enough room. Need to do this again. And make sure I still have some room to hold on to it with a chuck. That's good. Okay, make another adjustment here. Pretty good amount. Probably another 50 thou. Probably need more than this, I'm sure. Now, if I barely spot face that off, I probably won't have to go so deep. But it might blow out the sidewall if I did, so it's best to go all the way down and do it right. Okay, we have, that's only about 30 thou, that's not enough. We need more than that. $50. I think it's cleaning. But the fin's coming in, so we're close. We're real close. So you can see the black spot. We're coming back in on the other side. So we're going to keep going down until that cleans the rest of the way. Where'd my scribe go to? So probably about another 30 thou down would be my guess. So we're going to give it another 30. Which is It's going to be the rest of the way on my tool again. I got about another 30 left, so I'm going to give it all. Okay. And once I have this dimension, I can go to it right off the bat next time. It takes so long to do it. That's it. I give that last little push to get it all out. So that's why they give you that 1/8 inch tolerance, because you have no idea how deep it is to clean the fin up. Because every casting is a little different. Alright, we are all the way in there. So we're fully covered now. You see down there, surface is all in there. The next fin is further down yet. Let's see how far the next fin is. Okay, the next fin is on the edge of the 4. Next fin's about there. See, it's pretty thin. But we're gaining on it. See, we're at an angle, so we're gaining some thickness. We ain't got much to play with, but so I think next time I do this, I'm not gonna force it this direction because it makes it thinner and thinner. It's hard to tell. It's gonna be thin on the second fin too. Now, if we go through in a second fin, we're screwed because there's no way you're gonna drill out a second fin. All right, so there you go. I got set up for the drill. Not the drill, for the tap. All right, leave that.